Alright, I'm
And
gonna
guys,
play...
Hades is not a mage, he's a guardian.
Oh damn, Johnny got a noob style. Oh damn, let's go.
High defense, high situation. Very easy.
Where's Bastet?
Johnny got a noob style. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, someone else is below that, it seems. Very well. And I wanted to play Bologna. How mean.
Oh, they have a
Freaking Johnny
one.
with that damn Mastery 6. They must be
No,
having
no
heart
need.
attacks.
It's all
They
Johnny
must be
plays,
having heart
Anubis.
attacks. And Johnny's good at Anubis, bro. Just like I'm good at Wheelix. Wheelix.
Yeah.
And now I realize I should have did that because you're Bastet. We could be the cat bitch combo.
You're a Puma, bitch.
Oh, Calvin. How dare you take my... Oh, whatever.
I was
don't
just
care.
trying her out.
You can't try out my character. You know what? Forget
Wait,
it.
does that mean you don't know how to play basketball?
Hell
That's
no.
it.
I didn't even know he has that skin for her.
You can't.
No, I freaking, when I bought the hero, since it was on sale, it came with it. The skin came with it.
Yo, you black. Ew.
Johnny, I'm gonna whip you.
Alright, got
I'm
it.
gonna whip you. Ooh. Yeah.
No.
So wait, am I going
yeah.
solo?
Whip, whip.
Okay, solo.
Now watch me whip.
No. Now if I whip you first.
You can't whip me, you don't have
Even
a
though I'm
whip.
not whipping you.
I have a whip. You don't.
Yeah, I do.
Holy crap, they're already attacking
Yeah.
the tower.
Oh my god.
But they're taking damage for it.
Cause they,
Calvin, what the hell are they doing?
they being stupid.
We could have killed him for paying
I
attention.
know.
I was talking to my dad. Calm down.
I'm gonna whip you. Whip.
We're the girl team apparently.
Wait.
For some reason I've been playing girls. I don't know
Yo,
what this
Team
world
Death.
is coming to.
Team
Girl. Yeah, I only mean Johnny the one's about death. What anything like the gender. Like he's some
Yeah.
werewolf thing and I'm just some
Team
god
Death
demon.
and Team Girl.
Johnny's a
yeah.
No, I'm
dog.
actually a robot. Yeah. No, I'm not even a dog. I'm a jackal.
A jackal, yeah. Half
Yeah.
dog, half human.
Or just... And robot. Well, considering my skin.
Ooh.
Hey, missing right lane.
Yeah,
Ooh.
man.
Oh, get back!
Oh snap! I know. Oh
Give
snap!
me your pussy, pussy.
Oh,
Oh.
we're probably gonna get killer.
Bologna's quite interesting.
That Arachne was just stupid.
You almost
My
killed
stuff
him,
on
though.
cooldown. When my stuff's off cooldown,
Alright.
killer.
Alright.
Okay, she might die.
Wait,
She might
wait,
die if I
wait.
get to right click enough.
What the heck?
Come on,
What the
kill
hell is
them.
that?
What is that?
But what the heck?
What was that? Who's screaming?
What?
What?
Who's just screaming?
Your mom.
No.
Oh, I bet. Them Arachne's looking for that shield wall.
Is she gonna be stupid again? Should I make her bleed?
No! That, I refuse that! That is some bull nasty!
Good job, Johnny.
Wow.
And you're missing.
Pumas! Yes! Get her!
Ah.
Oh
I'm
no!
out.
The spiders! Spiders away from me. Now watch me whip. Ooh.
I'm healing myself. I like this. I can heal myself with every attack here.
Bologna. Sounds like baloney. Sounds like baloney.
Damn it.
No, we gotta call Bologna baloney.
Oh, they're back. I think Arachne wants to ult me, so.
This Arachne's stupid.
Yo, that's what you get when you try to fight spiders. You can easily squish them.
Lie dormant, my babies. Your time will come.
Okay, they're dead.
Oh!
Oh, she dashed
Aw.
out.
She's so lucky.
Not really lucky. I mean, she just has that skill that lets her dash.
No, I almost got
Yeah,
that.
that's what I'm saying by lucky. She has that dash ability.
I was just going for that.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy!
Oh, he's immune!
Calvin, I'm coming.
There's spiders after your ass.
Yo, it was so worth it. It was
Oh!
so worth it.
Yeah.
www.getrex.com.
Damn, Phoenix just scared me.
I like freaking assassins and hunters. This is fun. But I think Bologna's a warrior, though, actually.
Yo, I'm gonna wait at the base until I get my item. Which I just did now.
Oh!
What the heck? Yo, was that, Oh.
I'm gonna make them bleed
get
and
it.
send my pumas after them. My cats, I mean.
Yummy.
The Pumas.
Your pumas.
They're
The
actually
pumas,
cats. They're cats.
They're
not
cats.
pumas.
They're very big cats, considering the
That's
size.
what it says.
No, they are Pumas.
No, they're
and
cats.
Awilix rides a damn jaguar. I
It says
believe.
they're cats. in my
It says
ult.
cats, yeah.
It says
They're
Bastet
Okay.
summons 3 cats that
No, it
attack.
does.
So now what are they? Siamese cats? Because you're Egyptian.
No,
have
they're
no
pretty
idea.
big
That's racist.
sized cats, man.
How is that racist?
Damn, Max.
In a
Said
lot
the
of ways.
Siamese because they're in Egypt.
Pumas! Get him! She always
Damn.
does that. Still going for that.
How did she get? Oh, she's in the sky. That's why. That's my fault. I didn't know that she was in the
Oh,
sky.
dang, Calvin.
Fuck. Hey. I'm not letting her get away that
Did she really use the ult just to run away? My god,
Damn
you're a
it.
scrub.
My God, Calvin,
Oh,
you are
dang.
stealing so many skills. It's not even funny.
I'm a cat
Like
woman.
it's
Yo,
getting
you're going
annoying.
for
I'm a cat woman.
Oh. Alright, I'm here. Bloop.
Stealing so many kills from me, Calvin. It's not fair.
Hey, you're gonna die anyways.
Screw you.
I'm just getting away.
Alright,
Salty.
you know I can take out the wave pretty easy, you know that, right? Oh, left is missing.
So can I. I have 2 AoEs.
Oh,
Oh, watch out, Roberto. If you attack him.
I got a shield, bro. It's okay.
Has been destroyed.
A giant
my
sword,
game's lagging.
sword and shield. Amazing.
An enemy siege juggernaut has arrived. An enemy has been slain.
Where the hell
I need
did
help.
she go? Oh, wait, that's Bologna.
Your left
And there's
Yeah.
2 Bolognas. I totally forgot about that.
What? Roberto, no! Why? Why? Come on, man. Why?
It's the second time it happened to you.
I know. Are you freaking kidding me, man?
No, I'm not.
My gosh. Oh.
Your left tower
That's the second time that happened. You should have took the hit Sub-Zero the tank at least. Calvin, how's left
Can't.
playing?
Rex?
Death from below. Death from below. Death from below.
Come here, little bitch.
Hey, Bologna missing. Bologna be missing. Yeah,
Oh!
Bologna missing.
Johnny,
Damn it, Johnny.
It doesn't feel so good, does it?
Bologna's missing.
Baloney, there we go.
Shut up. Her name is not Baloney.
Okay, baloney.
Baloney.
Destroyed a left enemy.
Baloney.
It's so scabby like bologna.
And I don't even have auto buy on. I'm just
Oh.
buying what looks good. Which is also
Looks.
recommended. Is she good with life steal? No, because she has life steal.
Like,
Yo, we
come
can
on.
stack it.
Johnny, I can put my pants
Help
on her.
miss.
No, that is true,
Helps.
Johnny. That's very true. I'm coming. Coming.
Oh,
Hey, why
come
don't you help?
I'm coming, Max.
I got some
On my
Asian
way.
on me.
Yo, what up, though?
Asian.
Die!
Asian.
Slain. Killing spree.
Oh.
Get him, Pumas!
Alright, 4K gold.
Holy crap, I can
Aw.
leap backwards? Holy shit.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
This is my first time playing her.
You just.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh, gee. Well, now you know.
Yep.
I probably could have saved your
Baloney,
life
run.
earlier. Run, baloney!
Juggernaut has arrived. An enemy has been slain.
I am Baloney.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Baloney's
Baloney
dead.
just got
But she
killed by
slowed
Baloney.
Baloney killed Baloney.
She slowed
She
me.
killed
It's not
herself.
my fault.
Baloney
killed
just
herself,
killed.
I need a
unfortunately.
slow, actually.
Why would Baloney kill herself?
Where's the slow? Let me get a slow.
I don't know.
Movement slow. Let me see.
Hey, Neef is here too. I'm using my ult to back everything. Hey, where's Baloney go? I think Baloney's only behind
Baloney's
us.
left. Or going left. Oh, I think okay, I gotta go eat dinner.
Let's go, Neef.
Where's the
And then-
slow? Can't find slows. I'll have to look for them.
This leaf is so bad.
Killing spree. Your
She's
team's
feeding.
Juggernaut has been destroyed.
I need a freaking weapon. Oh, there it is. Frostbound hammer.
Why do
Oh,
people play
that's
Neef?
slow.
Neef sucks. Yeah, I just probably offended all those Neef players out there. But I'm telling the truth, man.
Neef is
Yeah, man.
terrible.
Johnny, tell him the truth, man.
Baloney's good though.
Baloney
Stop.
sucks.
Baloney's
Don't make
pretty
me bring
good. I
out a
gotta admit.
Wheelix, boy.
Relix.
A Wheelix.
What is a
What does a Wheelix do? Did you just say
Oh,
that?
there's an Asian. Asian,
No.
Asian's dead.
Oh!
I'm saying like what is a real Oh snap.
I just came back and snatched that shit. Oh! Victory!
Nice.
Well, that
surrender.
was easy.
Mm.
Okay. Didn't even
Nice.
get to really fully play Bologna. Damn it.
It be baloney.
That was
Alright.
easy.